What is up, guys? We are back and we are going to do a unboxing video. So this is a pretty exclusive one. So, and notice it's not open. It's a knife channel. You'd want to use a knife. Looks like we're using a knife. So just so y'all know. Whew. Yikes. Put these to the side. So if we can get that. This is Re8 Exo Titanium Bead Blast. So I ended up getting the this is a little holster that it comes with, very nice. A morale patch that can go right here with my my Desert Warrior collection. A sticker, silica, which is to be expected. A bag with 2 screws, one long, one short. A very nice Re8 microfiber cloth. A little Re8 bag, and here it is. Whew, nasty. So I ended up getting the Tonto, which is just beautiful. A few grease marks right out of the box. It's not the end of the world, but you know. So this is a beautiful knife. And the reason that these guys are what I consider to be an illegal, air quotes, type knife is because it's relying solely on gravity, you know, and there is no, I mean, you could stab and nothing would happen. If anything, there would be force against this that might want to push out, but again, nothing would happen. And you guys aren't having a seizure. What you're seeing is this scale setup is silver, and then there is white, red, and blue on it as well. And overall, my opinion, sorry, my hands are dirty, I am a machinist, so my overall first opinion is it's a beautiful, beautiful knife. Right there, it says Exoskeleton Designs, serial number 53. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty low number. 11/20/22. anyways, like I was saying, the reason that these are, you know, frowned upon by almost everybody and anybody is because they, and with it held firmly together like it should be, no wiggle. There's a little bit of wiggle though, you know, if you're just loosely playing with it. This is, there's nothing, there's no safety on it, essentially. There's no, like, way. So if you had this in your pocket, you know, and it just happened to slide, you could be in some big trouble. But luckily, the guys at Re8 thought of something. If I can get to this. Oh, I guess not. Oh, that's right. This one didn't come with a Kydex, but you can get them with Kydexes, and if you get one, great. If not, they have these guys right here, which is just as good, if not better. Kydex is stiff, which I guess is what you want, but with this, it's also going to be stiff, which is what you want, because there's no movement for the blade to open up, you know, which is good. That's the idea. If you are going to get one, I would recommend the blade. You know, you could have it down. I wouldn't recommend it like that. Obviously, I would tell you to have the blade pointing up, because if you have it on your belt, what's the worst that's going to happen? Nothing, because it's not going to open. You see? I think it's a beautiful knife. I would recommend it. I would give this definitely like an 8 out of 10. It's definitely one of the most interesting knives out of all of mine, and it was pricey, but hey, you know, life is as well. So if you guys haven't subscribed already and you like EDC content, gun content, you know, self-defense, you know, I'm going to be getting a lot of camping stuff going once the weather around me starts getting a little bit nicer. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And what you're going to need to do if you want to get every update of mine is hit the bell icon and hit notify, and you do the rest. And like, share the content, and like I said, I'm gonna be doing giveaways. I need one more person for my giveaway, my first giveaway, to actually get the knives out to people. So thank you guys for sticking around with me. Appreciate you, love you, stay sharp.